Okay, so I'm looking at some box plots here, and it wants to know what statement is best supported by the information on the box plots. Okay, so I can tell right now just by looking at group one, this guy's like evenly distributed right here, and so on. This guy's a little heavier on this side than this side. So let's see what kind of answers we get here. The range of data for group two is equal to the range of data from group one. So this guy's around 33. And this is about 15. So I'm pretend I'm using my scratch paper. So 33 and 15. So 33 minus 15, that for me looks like this. 15 over here is 33. Here to here is 3. There's my 30. From here to here for 20, it's gonna be 5. That's gonna be 18. And then this guy is roughly, let's see, 28 to 12. That one I can subtract a little bit better. That's a 6 and that's a 1. So one is 16 apart. The other one is 18 apart, so that's not the answer. So we know that that's not the answer. The distribution of group one is more symmetrical. That I already saw. I even made a statement on it. I said, you know what? If you look at it, I hate it when I hit erase, or I think I hit erase and I don't. And I start writing more than I'm writing instead of erasing. If I look at the distribution, right? So the distribution of the data for group one is more symmetrical. So like this part roughly looks like the same size as this part. So I'm actually going to use my tools here to kind of get that look going. So let's see here. Let's go and get rid of the transparency. Not the transparency, that little grid. This part from here to here looks like it's the same from that part. So I move it over. Yeah, it's pretty much the same distance. And then if I look at this distance, it's about the same distance as that distance. See what I mean? I'm saying they're like the same size, same part away from each other. Not so much here, right? These guys are a little off, like this one smaller than this side. But this guy looks pretty even distributed. Like this length is that length. That length is that length. And so that symmetry is happening real nice. Notice I'm using the tools from the state test. That's my answer. Just makes more sense. Interquartile range for group one is greater than 2. 30 and 21. 24 and 16. It looks like the same distance to me. So let's find out. 30 and 21. 30, right? 30 and 21 is about 9 apart. Then over here it's going to be 24 and 16. It's about 1 to 8 apart. So group 2 is more than group 1. Group 1 is great. No. And so if I keep checking, only B makes sense. So that's the answer. Pretty easy, I think, this test. I just can tell by looking at it. And they usually test that symmetry thing. So easy problem.